Namaskar and good evening. I am Vijay Mohan, stock market strategist, again before you with a reasonably good company. Uflex Ltd. Uflex Ltd manufactures packaging solutions of various kinds. Now, its chairman and managing director is Ashok Chaturvedi. Vice chairman and CEO is Anand Sri Chaturvedi. Director European Union Operations is Apurva Chaturvedi. Now its 10-year track record has been examined by somebody. They say it is an average quality company. Also, it has improved in the last 10 years. Now it's doing reasonably well, and I do hope it will do reasonably well in the future. And somewhere I found that in the recent past it has taken a debt 45.6 billion rupees. That is obviously for some major project, and that major project is likely, I don't know when it will be commissioned, probably 2026, not earlier than that, or probably it may be commissioned in stages also. Usually companies adopt that approach. Now, why are we talking about it? We are talking about Uflex Limited with reference to its Q1 numbers. Q1, Uflex in its press release on Q1 results says Uflex has posted the highest ever revenue and PAT at 46.5% year-on-year growth in revenue, that is rupees 4,446 crores. It's a reasonably big company. 46.5% is the growth in revenue. What about PAT, profit after tax? 374.5 crores, up by 41.9% year-on-year. That's also reasonably good. EBITDA has jumped by 44.3% to 725 crores. So, lot of things it is doing. Aseptic liquid packaging business is there. That has recorded 123% year-on-year growth. Then the BOPET film plant in Nigeria. It has got plants at different places, more than 60 plants, something like that. Aseptic, I don't know how many plants, I really don't know, I have to check up that, but it has got plants at so many places. The BOPET plant in Nigeria has achieved 70% during this quarter, and naturally it will go on improving in the quarters to come. They are focusing on complete backward integration, especially for the BOPET faculty at Panipat in Haryana, which is likely to be commissioned by 2026. That's why probably that loan is for this, and it is likely to be commissioned by 2026. If it is in stages, we don't know. Uflex is India's largest multinational flexible packaging company. Different types of flexible packaging. Now it is more interested in Fortune 500 clients. It is catching hold of Fortune 500 clients who are more reliable, whose payments also are more reliable. Therefore, it already has a number of Fortune 500 clients. Now let us take a look at the Q1 results. Net sales are 4,032 crores in Q1, latest quarter. 4,032 crores. Previous Q4, previous quarter, Q4 of last year, 3,868 crores. And same quarter last year, that is Q1 of last year, 2757 crores. So if you look at that, from 2756 crores, it has grown to 3868 crores in the previous quarter, and now 4031 crores. So consistent growth is there in sales. Now, year on year for this quarter, for year on year growth is 46.26%, and quarter on quarter 4.24. Now let us go to net profit. Other things are normal. I am not going to talk much about that now. If there is something adverse, that I will talk about. Now net profit will go. 375 crores is the net profit in the Q1 quarter, that is current quarter. 375 crores. Compared to 350 crores in the previous quarter and 264 crores in the Q1 of last year. From 264 crores, it has grown to 374.65, 375 crores, let us say. Now, net profit has grown by 41.76% year on year and 6.86% quarter on quarter. So, price is is growing a little well compared to many others. It is growing a little well. Still, it can grow much better than this. The 52-week range is 427 is the least, 719 is the highest. Now, volumes of trade, 291,601, which means you can buy and sell easily. So then let us look at the strengths, weaknesses, etc. of this company. The company has a high Petrosky score comparison company with strong financials. Petrosky score, some 11 items, something like that are there. Put together, they indicate the strength of the financial strength of the company. And in this case, Uflex Ltd, it indicates it is a company with strong financials. See, promoters are increasing their shareholding. See, that is a very good sign. Promoters increasing their shareholding. Even last quarter also they have increased. Now, trailing 12 months if you take, the EPS has been growing steadily. So, last 4 quarters, EPS has grown steadily. So, good quarterly growth in the latest results also. ROC, return on capital employed, is growing in the last 2 years, which means it is using its capital efficiently. Then return on equity also is growing very well in the last 2 years, which means it is using its equity funds also very well. Return on assets also is improving very well since last year. You know, so many things good about it in this quarter. So, net profit and net profit margin also are improving very well. Now, about the debt I have told, it is likely to take some debt for projects. Revenue is increasing, profits are increasing, all things are improving, book value is improving, FIIs and FPIs are increasing their shareholding. Price, reasonably good momentum is there. So it is a company with current TTMPE less than 3 years. Less than 5 years and less than 10 years PE. So, which means at present it is available at an attractive price. Price strength is there, but one of the premier money market money control website has given it 88%, which is very good. Normally many companies are scoring only 60, 65, 66 like that. Here it is 88. It takes into account so many parameters. So it is on a bullish note, very bullish note right at present. And a strong performer, financial performance is strong, quality management is strong, strong technical momentum, everything is okay. As I said, volumes are good, which means you can buy and sell very easily. And 52-week high is 719, low is 427. EPS is good, PE is low. Why it is low? Market is not taking adequate attention. Book value is 927 against a face value of 10 rupees only. So that is also very good. Price to book is 0.73, good. Market cap is 4,886. That is also very good. So many good things are there. Now if you analyze the price, it is 5.88% away from 52-week high and 58.48% away from 52-week low. So it is at an attractive place. That's what it means. It is on a bullish momentum. All averages are long-term average, medium-term average, short-term average, all are on a bullish note. In the last 1 month, of course, its performance was slightly dull. Price performance, I mean. It is an underperformer there. It has grown by 6.74% versus Nifty 50 up by 10%. So it has underperformed Nifty in respect of price during the last 1 month. Now shareholding pattern, if you see, it has a small pledge, 3.63% promoter pledge is there. Of that, it has unpledged 0.05%. And they have also increased their holdings from 44.02 to 44.58% in the latest quarter. Other things, mutual funds, etc., approximately at the same level, FIIs, FPIs, etc. Now, there are many plus points. Maybe 1 or 2 small minus points are also there. The growth is not 100% or 150% like that in sales or profits. It is around 46%, something like that. So it is a moderate performer. Therefore, now but it is a steady performer. It looks like that. It has been growing. Sales have been growing steadily. So if you want to consider that, take all these things into account and then go for it. Thank you. I will be back with you with a very good company. So normally I give you only good companies. I don't give you bad companies. If I give you a bad company, I will tell openly. Now I am not telling this is a bad company. I in the previous case also I didn't say it was a bad company. So these are all reasonably good companies. Thank you, friends. We will meet again with another good performer. Thank you.